Spirituality Committee will help promote and improve the spiritual development of families. This is led by Silfrida Rodriguez and Menchit Ordoneza. They will have a come and have breakfast once a month and Dates with God, a Marian Recollection series. We had one yesterday, and then they will have one on December 8, February 10, and May 12. For physical concerns, the committee will assist the school in the improvement of school facilities for the safety and security of the girls. We have Ria Corazon Ablan and Jaime Blanco. They will also be coming up with an e-manual outlining traffic rules and regulations around the school and inside the village. The committee also handles the Family Council's carpool matching program. The Social and Responsibility Committee. This committee is the social action arm of the Family Council. This is led by Maria Lely de la Cruz and Sheila Kema. We have a doctor and dentist team. The SRI committee will hold a medical dental mission on March 3. They will also launch their Project School Box come May 2018. And for sports development, as mentioned by one of the girls, how sports helps out in the formation of the girls. This is led by Stephen Kila and Mary Jennifer Silayan. This committee augments the needs and assists in the physical and athletic development of the girls. They will continue their projects from last year, which include the donation of varsity bags to all varsity athletes. They will also replenish the first aid kits donated by the Family Council last year, provide assistance in the varsity parents orientation night, and handle external resource engagements. The Ways and Means Committee, led by Daphne Osania and Maria Elena Diaz, will take charge of initiating and coordinating all resource-generating activities of the Family Council. For this year, we have a fundraising activity, a first day movie screening of Disney's Coco, which is planned for November 29. Aside from our level and committee activities, the Family Council has other projects. The Family Council provides incentives to deserving faculty and staff, which are given during the Peace Awards. Which is held during the Assumption Day celebration in August. May I request this year's awardees to please stand to be acknowledged. For exemplary team leader, Ms. Beverly Glenn. For exemplary class advisor, Ms. Cindy Pagirijan. For exemplary professional technical personnel, Ms. Sheila Lucica. Exemplary staff, Mr. Marlon Malanan. And exemplary rookie teacher, Mr. Gerald Ibuna. As shown also earlier, we would also like to announce that from the proceeds of last year's Spectacle Family Day, the Family Council, with the support of the parents, donated the newly unveiled Basic Education Division Playground, Little Presh. Moving on to the office staff, to ensure that the Family Council office operates efficiently, we are grateful for the loyalty and dedication of our office staff. May I introduce to you Annalyn Alegre, Regine Capasio, and Anthony Villier. The Family Council office is located on the second floor of Mother Marth building. We're open to serve you from 7:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. To communicate with you better and inform you about the school-related announcements, the Family Council has widened its modes of communication through the following. The Smart Infocast service. It is a free one-way text blast service to all cellular networks for quick dissemination of announcements. With the onset of the rainy season, this service would be helpful in letting you know about class suspensions. Note that this service is free of charge to parents. To facilitate the communication of school or level-related matters, the level directors have also set up e-groups such as WhatsApp and Viber, as chat groups for their respective levels. I encourage all of you to like our Facebook page. It shows you important school and family council announcements and updates where they are posted regularly. Please follow our Twitter account for the same purpose. We are at ACBEDFC on Twitter. We also have the annual, which we release after the end of the school year. It contains all the activities that the Family Council has implemented for the concluded school year. We are currently finalizing last year's annual, and in the spirit of Laudato Si, we'll be publishing it in electronic form and distribute it to you through your respective level directors. I would like to remind all parents to please submit to the Family Council the completed student information sheet, which was given to you during enrollment or at the parents' orientation or through your level directors. The forms are also available at the MRA lobby. We need them to obtain the information needed for the previously mentioned modes of communication. If you are a current registered subscriber, there are no changes in your contact information. There is no need to sign up again. I will now give the floor to our Board Treasurer, Len Lukban, to report on the Family Council's finances.
Good morning, everyone. What I'll be presenting to you is the unaudited financial statement. Beginning balance as of August 1, 2016 is 3,038,077 pesos and 83 cents. Total receipts of 3,235,536 pesos and 75 cents, with a total of 6,273,614 and 58 cents. Less the disbursements of 2,696,591 and 26 cents, with an ending balance as of March 31, 2017 is 3,577,023 pesos and 32 cents. You can check our books at the Family Council office located at the second floor, Mother Marth building near the Gate 3. Office hours from 7:30 to 5 p.m. Thank you.
We will now move on to the induction of the Board of Trustees. Everyone, I would like, please stand, members. Please raise your right hand. I, as member of the Assumption College Basic Education Division, Family Council School Year 2017-2018, do solemnly swear to perform my duties to the best of my abilities in the pursuit of assisting the school in its mission of forming persons and communities of faith and action through a transformative education that nurtures faith and spirituality, pursues academic excellence for service, and instills social responsibility, thus forging character for life and life for God. So help me God. Everyone, I present to you with pride the members of the Board of Trustees of the ACBED Family Council School Year 2017-2018. Thank you everyone, and I look forward to your full participation this school year.
Thank you, Jaja. After the General Assembly, we will proceed with the level assemblies, where you will be briefed about this year's activities and other pertinent information, such as the present school policies, grading system, and other academic concerns. For the grade 11 and 12 parents, please stay for a few minutes after the General Assembly. Ms. Villalon will be discussing a few things with you before you proceed to the level assembly. Parents, we hope you will take this opportunity to meet your daughter's teachers. You will also get a chance to mingle with your co-parents and partake of the special meals prepared for your batch. Thank you for taking the time off your busy schedules to join us for the school year's first Parents' General Assembly. As one community, let us welcome the new school year with open hearts and positivity. Please all rise for the Assumption School Hymn. Kindly look to the screen and take note of the level assembly room assignments based on your daughter's grade level. Thank you again and have a great day ahead.